many benefits to organic gardening. Organic gardening protects against toxic pesticides and residues commonly found on fruits and vegetables. Scientific studies have begun to conclude that organic gardening is beneficial all around, for the life of soil, plants, animals, insects, water and air quality, as well as your physical and mental health. There are no pesticides, fungicides, herbicides, insecticides, or other poisonous chemicals in the process of growth. Organic gardening provides realistic flavors in your food and is high in vitamin and mineral content. It has very high vitamin C and it has minerals such as calcium, magnesium, iron, and chromium. This type of gardening can have good physical and mental health benefits for you. The time spent in the garden can be meditative and peaceful. Organic gardening has made its way to the mental health industry in the form of horticulture therapy. Organic gardening is less expensive to grow due to the fact that you don't have to use any chemicals in the growth process. Improving the health of soil, better crop is yielded, fuller and all natural, and can feed family for many years. This puts less money spent at the stores and more money in your wallet. Organic gardening can impact the environment in a good way. It is very climate friendly because it produces less greenhouse gases. Also reduces non-renewable energy by using less agrochemical needs because chemicals are prohibited in organic gardening. These are replaced with organic fertilizers, enhancing soil structure and water infiltration. In conclusion, there are many advantages and disadvantages to organic gardening, as well as many health benefits. It can save you money in the long run and has great impact on the environment. As well as benefits to organic gardening, there are steps on where to start and maintenance that goes into it.